Hey guys, welcome back on my YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Margot, alias margavalux. I'm French, I live in Spain, and I do have my own business with my partner, luxurybag.com, where we sell luxury handbags, pre-loved mostly, sometimes new, online. So we do ship worldwide, and I'm a very passionate woman about bags. My passion is bags, I love accessorize. You know, this is also why I've created this YouTube channel and why now I do have my own business. So every Wednesday I do a bag drop day. So I present you items, bags and accessories mostly that are live on the website. So let's start with the first one. It's Celine Triomphe. This one is not vintage, but it's not the most recent one. So it's in between both of them. This is a black one, box leather. The strap is adjustable. You have the buckle that is in very good condition. The leather on the outside has some trace of wear. Obviously, this is like a box leather. It's a second, like it's a pre-loved handbag. You can see some little trace, but that's actually very correct. Corners are actually in very, very good condition, I must say. The hardware is a little bit used. This is a gold hardware. So for opening, you just have to press here down below and open the bag. So inside you have various pockets. So you have one pouch here, another one here, a little one with a button portion, another one here, and a zipper pocket here. So this is quite huge. I think it's very good condition inside. Here you have some little trace of wear, I guess, but otherwise this is very, very good. I'm gonna now give you the price first in USD and then in Euro, because on my website you can buy directly in USD also. So the price in USD is 2,807 USD and the price in Euro is 2,350 Euro. You do have also with this one the Entropy certificate. Entropy is a US company that helps us to authenticate every item we have. We try to have it for everything you will have when you order with us also our own certificate of authentication, of course, and that's it. So Entropy is also a company like that is helped by LVMH Group, so it means it's a very legit company. Let's go for the next item that I want to actually show you today. Louis Vuitton, and this one is new, like as new. I think my client never wears it. So you have the dust bag for this one. I do also have the Entropy certificate. And look at this one. I did not fit anything inside actually to show it to you, but this is a brand new Graceful bag. This is a PM, I believe, version. I will let you know on the screen. As you can see, the handle is as new, like the leather is so light. This is a bag that is so freaking beautiful. Hardware is perfect, conda is perfect, corners are perfect, everything is amazing on this one because it's new. Inside now also is perfect. You have a fabric, like a beige fabric. You have a very large zipper pocket also. I'll try to show you here, but it's hard. Like zipper pockets here, that is amazing. So this is a coated fabric, cowhide leather trim. Voila. But otherwise it's amazing. It's brand new. You can close the bag with like it's just here. I don't know how this is called. Like in French it's un limon. So I don't know how this is called, but you can close it like so. Here it's empty, so obviously it doesn't give you the best shape. But the price for this one, I'm just gonna check the US price. So the price for this one is 1,589 USD. And the Euro price for this one is 1,330 Euro. I will try to find the retail price, the price in store here, but you have the very, very, very good deal on this one. It's as new. Like, I think it's new actually. It was never used. So happy shopping. I'm just gonna put this back into the dust bag and we'll see what we have next. I have more and more beautiful things actually. I will try to be more in Paris to get like stuff. We do shipping worldwide. We do get the bag from also clients, more and more also from Japan. So I'm super excited because you've been asking quite a lot. I don't know if you recognize, but this is a Chanel item. This is not the dust bag of the bag. This is like, you know, the little to protect it, but it's kind of a dust bag in the end. I also have like the little paper, and I think that's it. Yes. So this is a little Chanel pouch, black caviar leather. Condition is very good on this one. Inside is Bordeaux fabric. So this is a casual one. You do have the serial number behind a leather part that is just here. This is so freaking cute, this one. Condition, I would say, is very good. I think it was used a couple of times, but almost nothing. You do have like a little stain here, but I think it can be removed and it works perfectly. This is very recent. I'm gonna try to have the price now. Like, the price is a bit insane because this in store is way more. Price is 550 USD and in euro it's 460 euro. This is so insane. And I think do have the entreprise certificate. So yeah, I would kind of advise you to go fast if you want this item because the price is kind of insane. So, you know. Okay, let's do something else that, oof, when I saw it, I was completely in love. Yes, this is a Dior item and I believe you know what's inside. So, I'm just gonna take it here. This is a very special limited edition. So as you can see, we had the box. We have this bag for the bag and the strap. And I do have entreprise certificate also for this one. This is a huge baby. Yes. Also have like a little dust bag here. Yes. So this is a medium Lady Dior special limited edition. This is insane. This is, I think, the most beautiful limited edition Lady Dior I've been able to see in my entire life so far. This is the first time I see this one. The inside is like the sea, I would say. This is a blue navy bag with pearls, with a brodery. It's such a piece of art. The bag is in a very good condition. You have very few little traces on the bottom. You have the 4 little feet. The hardware is champagne. Beautiful. I also have the strap here. That is just perfect. I'm just gonna put it back. This is an adjustable strap. Yes, this is adjustable. So this is actually super useful if you need to change the longer of the strap. And then let's open the bag. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. So the bag has also very good news. Yes, we also have a bag organizer for the bag. So this is actually good news. So the bag organizer is actually very cool because it allows you to protect the inside of the bag and to give a good shape. The inside of this bag is perfect. Like, this is a blue navy suede. Oh my goodness. You have the zipper pocket, you have another pocket. This is a beautiful item. For this one, I do have like the little card from like Dior saying it's Lady Dior medium canvas blue multicolor. This is amazing. Also do have the authentication card. It was bought online store as it was bought in February 2020. So this is a very beautiful collab. This is insane. Like, the bag is such a beauty. This is a real beauty. I do love it. It comes also with entreprise certificate, of course. I'm just gonna put this bag inside the bag to protect it. But oh my god, I really hope this bag is gonna sell because this is such a piece of art. It is in pristine condition, like such a good condition. This is beautiful. I like to see this kind of bag because this is art. Price of this baby is 2,974 USD. And I let you know the euro price on the screen. I don't have it here. But yeah, this is such a piece of art. I hope really it will find a new mama because this is gorgeous. It deserves a home. It really deserves a home. Like, this is art for me. Okay, let's put it back in his dust bag. Oh la la. Do you like this type of bag? Let me know in the comments. Tell me if you like this bag or not, and try to explain me why. Personally, I love it. Another thing that I want to release is little cosmetic pouch from Louis Vuitton, monogram Kenda. Beautiful baby. This one, I would say, on the outside is good condition. You have some little trace of wear. Corners are very good. Leather parts have little trace of wear. Hardware is actually good. Inside you have some stains. Like, usually on these ones you have stains inside. It was used a little bit, but yeah, otherwise perfect. I'm gonna check the price in USD. So the price for this one is 365 USD. Price in euro, 305 euro. Available on the website. I'll give you here again. Also, for my outfit of the day. I'll link everything below. This is like a Spanish brand. This is a brand from Barcelona. Everything is done in Spain. This is a very good brand. I found them on Costa Brava, actually. They have a store in Barcelona and in Begur. I think maybe they ship worldwide anyway, but let's go there. Check. I bought this top with the little shorts. It's gorgeous. It's very cute. So yeah, if it can help like another brand, I'd be very happy to. So next online, Saint Laurent. Yes, I do have the box for this one. I do have the entrepreneur certificate. I have like the dust bag. I have copy of the invoice for this one. I have the papers. Like this one, I think was almost never used. Ta-ta-ta. And yes, this is the Kate taupe color. This is beautiful. Condition is insane. Actually, I'm just gonna remove the chain. Yes. Oh yes, I completely forgot. But also, it's a different client. But she already have put it inside like a bag organizer. I'm super happy. Actually, this is cool. This is so nice. I'm excited. So up, I'm just gonna remove the chain and everything. So this one is the Kate. It's a very cute little one. Grain leather on the outside, gold hardware. Condition is so great. I have to say, I have to admit, I think my client never used it. Condition is perfect on the outside. I have nothing to say. This is insane. Let's check the inside, but I believe it's, yeah, it's the same. It's perfect, pristine condition. Wow. And you have the bag organizer with it that is like fits perfectly the bag. I'm so shocked. That is a perfect little bag, and the color is insane. The price for this one is 1,660 USD, and the euro price is 1,290. And the euro price is 1,390 euro with the entrepreneur certificate, with the dust bag, box, everything. This is a full set. This is a brand new item. So be very fast if you want it, because this is not every day that I have this type of wow, this type of beauty. I'm just gonna put this back in the dust bag. This is gorgeous, and it comes from, it was bought in France, so this is a very good news. Voila, I do have copy of invoice, everything. Let's go for something else now. Still have so many things to show you, so let's go. Yes, a Louis Vuitton box. The box discolored. I think it was on the sun. I don't know, but you know, so don't let your stuff next to the sun, but it's only the box, so you know. I do have entrepreneur certificate on this one. I do have the dust bag, and let's see what's inside now. Oh la la, this one is gorgeous. Look at that. Yes, as you can see, this is an Alma Bébé collection dots, patent leather, pink and red. I do have, of course, here the strap that is, you can fit directly on the bag. This is such a cool bag. This is a mini bag that is so cool. It's not a mini. I have exactly the same, but in epi leather, blue epi leather. This one is gorgeous. I love it. Beautiful condition. You have, I thought, there is no stain. The bag is as new. I'm just checking, but the bag is beautiful. You have a micro stain here. It's micro. It's like a point. And wow, this is beautiful. Like inside is red. You have a little plate here, silver plate. This is insane. Oh my God. This is so beautiful, guys. Beautiful. And I do have the serial number just here, but I can't read. Okay, if I read correctly, it's always complicated to read. This is a 2015 bag. So this is quite recent still, and it's as new. Like, it's as new. I have nothing to say. It's as new. Price for this one is 1,905 USD, and in euro, 1,595 euro. This is a brand new item, I would say. I think it was never used before. So if you are interested, just go. This is a very special limited edition that they've done, and I really trust this will go fast. This is a perfect summer mini bag. And it's very useful. Like, this bag is so easy to wear. I do have the same. You can fit many things. You can fit a large wallet inside. It fits. So this is a good news. Okay, next, what do we have? Next, I do have a Speedy 25 monogram kanda. This is kind of a little vintage one. Condition, I would say, is good on this one. Corners are a bit rough. The kanda is great. Hardware is used. You can see leather is tan, it's like dark brown. You have still the leather part and the zipper, but be careful. This is like very fragile here. It can break. Replace it is 25 euros in store anyway. The inside is actually very good. Like very, very good. You have the little pocket. This is a bag that is from 1992. So this is a very vintage bag, but still in good condition. I'm gonna check the price. The price for this one is 609 USD, 510 euro. Let's go, let's go. Ooh, I have something to show you. You're gonna love it. This is the first time I read it. So excited. Look at this. Yes, this is a Celine travel bag, like travel tote. Amazing. This is the first time I do have it, actually. I'm going to show you. Well, it's great. Like you can close it with the zipper. You have the large handles. Condition is so nice. You have here in fabric, here in leather. Condition is great. On the outside, the condition is so nice. Even the corners are a little bit rough, but so great. I'm going to check now. Inside is also perfect. I fitted with some towels inside. And inside is so good. This is a very good size for traveling. Longer, like the longer of the size of the bag on this size is 55. So it's equal to like a Keeple 55. So it's actually very good. You can fit so many things inside. Price is so low. Price is 490 USD and 405 euro. This is a very cheap bag. So go on, because this is the first time I ever have this type of Celine travel bag. Voila for the drop of the day. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you want more info, everything is on the website. Also, we are 17th of July. Tomorrow, I do host a live on Whatnot. We ship worldwide with Whatnot. It will be another drop with different items. So consider subscribing the app. I will link this below the video in description box. With the link, you get offered, I think, a 10 or 15 euro USD discount on your first order. And yeah, we will be live on Whatnot. Super excited. So we'll be hosting 2 live in July and then in September, not in August, I believe. So feel free to join us, to comment, to support us, and see you soon. Bisous, bye-bye.